Hi all. If you're preparing for JEE or NEET examination, during your examination journey, you are definitely going to encounter a chapter in 12th class physics, that is electrostatics. Now, this chapter is made up of two base chapters, that is electric charges and fields, and the second one is electric potential. So today, we are going to do a question from electric potential, and this question shall be based on the concept of equipotential surfaces. So let us check out the question. A field of 100 volt per meter is directed at 30° to the positive direction of x-axis. So first of all, we are going to draw electric field, and this electric field is making an angle of 30° with the positive direction of x-axis. Secondly, let us say the center point is O and this point is A. If we will read the question, we will find out that OA distance is given out to be 2 meters. And there is a point P which is somewhere above, and the OB distance is given out to be 4 meters. So we know that OA is equals to 2 and OB is equals to 4 meters. Now we are going to pass another electric field line through the point B, right? We know the thing that the equipotential lines or the equipotential surfaces, as we can say, they are perpendicular to the electric field lines. So these yellow lines which I have drawn, these may seem like lines, but what are they actually? These are the equipotential surfaces which will be what? Which will be perpendicular to the electric field lines. So one of the equipotential surfaces is passing through the point A and another equipotential surface is passing through the point B. Now let us see 2 points. One of the points is point C and one of the points is point D. If we check out point number A and point number C, they lie on the same equipotential surface. Hence, we will say that the potential of A is equals to potential of C. Similarly, point number B and point number D, they lie on the same equipotential surface. Hence, we are going to say that potential of B is equals to potential of D. Now, let us check out the question. What do we want to find out in the question is, we want to find out the value of VA minus VB. But we know that VA is equals to VC and VB is equals to VD. So in total, what we need to find out here is the value of VC minus VD. Now there is a relationship which connects the potential difference, that is VC minus VD, to the electric field. That is potential difference is equals to electric field multiplied by D. Now what is D? D is the distance, perpendicular distance between the two equipotential surfaces. Now let us check out this distance D. This distance D is made up of two distances. One is CO and other one is OD. So let me write it here. This distance D is made up of two distances. One is OC and the other one is OD. Now electric field value, if we check out, has been given in the question as 100 volts per meter. So if electric field is given, what we really need to find out here is the value of small d. Now how we are going to find out small d? Very easy. First we will take the triangle OCA. Okay, OCA, where this triangle is right angled at the point C or at the vertex C. So if we write it out, this angle is 30. If you will check out the small angle inside, that is also going to be 30. So what is cos 30 in this triangle? Cos 30 in this triangle is base OC divided by the hypotenuse, that is OA. If we are going to solve for OC, that is going to be OA cos 30, that is going to be root 3 by 2. Now we know that OA is 2. If we put the value of OA is 2, 2 and 2 will cancel out and we will be given that OC is equals to root 3. Now we have found out the first part, that is OC is equals to root 3. How we are going to find the next part? Now we will go to the next triangle. The next triangle we are going to take is ODB. Now this triangle is right angled at the point D. Now again, this angle is 30. I will draw the angle with sky blue color. Okay. And what is this angle? This angle is 60° because the sum of two angles should be what? The sum of the two angles should be 90°. So in this triangle, if I'm trying to find out cos 60, then it will be definitely once again OD, that is the base, divided by OB, which is the hypotenuse. So what is OD? OD is OB into cos 60, that is 1 by 2. Now what is OB? OB is given out to be 4. So what does OD come out to be? 2. So OD comes out to be 2 and OC comes out to be root 3. So if we want to find out VC minus VD, that will come out to be 100 and 2 plus root 3. So this is VC minus VD. So definitely this answer is going to be VA minus VB. Now is this answer correct? Is there an option which tells us this answer is there? So this is the second option, that is 100, 2 plus root 3 is there. Now which point is at a higher potential? Is it the point A or is it the point B? Point A is greater potential than point B. Why? Because we know for sure the fact that along the electric field line, what happens to the potential is correct. It decreases. So I hope you have understood this question. And I hope with this question, you have got to understand the point that equipotential surfaces, these are going to be perpendicular to the electric field lines. Secondly, what is the potential difference is equals to? The potential difference is equals to electric field multiplied by the perpendicular distance between the two equipotential surfaces. But we have to make sure that we use this relation only when the electric field is given out to be constant. And the final thing is, on an equipotential surface, all points are of same potential, right? So I hope you have understood this question. And for more such questions and for more such concepts, subscribe to Scholars Forum channel. So thank you all. Thank you guys. Take care.